Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi, out 20 nautical miles, Mississippi Sound, North Mobile Bay, South Mobile Bay, until 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:27 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 10 nautical miles southeast of Farewell Buoy, moving northwest at 45 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Gator Island, East Fowl River Bridge, Sand Island Lighthouse, Onsicker Bay, Farewell Buoy, Middle Bay Light, Mississippi Sound east of Pascagoula, Dog River Bridge, Central Dauphin Island, and Fairhope Pier. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Alabama and the adjacent coastal waters. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: North Mobile Bay, South Mobile Bay, Mississippi Sound, Alabama, and coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi, out 20 nautical miles.